Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Lealman local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is a relocation that is over 50 miles. Our moving services are of the highest quality, and we treat your possessions with the attention it deserves. Our movers are trained to handle the rigors of the road, no matter where you are. They are focused and are in control of standard trucks that can handle the strains of your move without breaking down. Our relationship with the federal and state authorities in charge of the moving process is impeccable. This relationship helps to secure our customers' belongings even more. Even though local moves are cheaper than long-distance relocations, we still provide the most inexpensive service. We charge about $30 to $40 every hour. Also, we can help you transit easily through the bustling streets of West Lealman. And though we are very affordable, our services remain the best in the area. You only have to hand over to us the authority over your move while you focus on other things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Lealman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.